Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This links purchases to you. Once done, make sure your device region matches the gift card region because codes are region locked. Next, reveal the card code carefully. If it's covered, scratch gently and keep a camera nearby for scanning. Now open the App Store app and tap your profile icon. This moves you from prep into the actual redemption flow. Don't skip verifying your payment settings first. It avoids later errors. You now tap your profile and choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. Try the camera option first because it's faster and reduces typos. If you enter the code manually, type carefully. Distinguish 0 versus O and 1 versus lowercase l, because one wrong character triggers failure. After entering the code, confirm using your Apple ID credentials. The store will apply the balance to your Apple ID. Make sure you see the updated balance in account, and then proceed to download or buy with confidence. Finally, use your Apple ID balance for purchases. Apple applies it first, then other payment methods automatically if needed. If a code is declined, check the region, expiration, and that you entered every digit correctly. Sometimes a missing dash or flipped character is the cause. If problems persist, take a clear photo of the card front and code, keep your purchase receipt, and contact Apple support. Provide the card details and proof. They can verify and redeem or issue a replacement when warranted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.